Good morning. How are you all? Thank you, love. Wow. How are you all? This is my second QSP. Right. First time in service. Second time in service पे right of किया. Unexpectedly it's the joint now. Okay, let's. Good morning. I need from you energy because language, English, Hindi, Malayalam, Tamil, सब कुछ आ जाएगा. Right. Love you too. I got that. So, okay. How many want to see my first time? Me. Okay. So, thank you. First time, huh? Okay, this is a journey everywhere already shared. I don't have any more journey. The part of the journey, that's why I am here. So, during the session now, for half hour, 40 minutes, that time, if you sleeping, are you sleeping? Okay. If you want to sleeping, no problem, you can sleep. But, on condition, when you sleeping, that time, don't close your eye. Open your eye, then after sleep. Right? Okay. Just I started the business, I think, 2.5 years. Yeah, exactly, 2.5 years. When 14 years continuously corporate company, I was the job. I worked. The 14 years, first time, the laundry, Ras Al Khaimah, Al Jurf area, Tiktaga, Al Nakhil area. Right. 4 years, मेरा काम कपड़ा धुलाई करना, okay, iron करना वाला. ये after that, I got big diploma, this is driving license in UAE. After 2 years continuously, I struggled for that, for getting the driving license. In between sitting nearby, आपका पास साथ जो language वाला ना share करो, okay? License मिल गया. After that, I tried to getting job, salesman. So I got finally job also getting. Then after that I keep trying because I don't have any education. That's why tried to getting a. सब लोग कुरकुरी बोलते हैं ना, क्या बोलते हैं कुरकुरी? Easy way diploma. 1 year diploma I got it. After that, then degree सबका पास है इसकी MBA, वो भी फाइनल किया. After that, economic PG. Then after that, I got one reputed company, job salesman, and the medicine company. Right, the corporate company career. That time, very huge expense. I mean, huge liability I had carried. I think 2 CR. Totally, my liability. Right. 1,94,000 dirhams from in UAE. Others amount all of in Kerala. I think ADCB Bank, Mashriq Bank, and Dunia Finance, and Dubai First. तो फाइनेंस कंपनी फुल है, तो बैंक का मेरा लाइबिलिटी फुल है। मेरे पास दूसरे ऑप्शन कुछ नहीं है। लेकिन अपना इरफान भाई बोला क्या बोल दिया, ईगो 100% ईगो और राइट। जो दूसरे सेल्समैन को, दूसरे कंपनी के सेल्समैन को मिल गया तो मैं क्या करूं, क्या कर रहे हैं सेल्समैन? हाँ, तुम भी सेल्समैन है, ओके। तुम्हारे से क्या बोलते हैं, तुम्हारे लिए वो बड़ा वाला नॉलेज मेरे को है, तुमको इतना नॉलेज नहीं है। ऐसा टाइप बहुत ईगो बढ़ गया था। लेकिन बट आई कंटिन्यूड, राइट, 14 years consistency. Nothing get, actually I got the benefit this much liability. How I can to overcome? No idea. That time I got this opportunity.